What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, and welcome back again to my trading channel. Now, today I've got this strategy that you can see that managed me to help me catch that big trend on Crash 1000 index. As you can see, we're currently deep in profit on Crash 1000. So today we're going to review this strategy. I'm going to share with you guys the conditions that have to be met, the settings as well for these indicators that I have on my screen, and also going to be doing some back testing and forward testing as well, looking into market analysis. Where do we expect price to go from this point? So you should definitely watch up until the end so that you fully understand how this strategy operates from back testing and forward testing as well. Okay, so without wasting much time, what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to remove all the indicators that are on my screen right now so that we can have the usual step-by-step process of installing this strategy. So I'm going to go straight to my indicator section, delete all these indicators that I had on my screen, and as you can see, I'm left with a blank chart. We're currently looking at Crash 1000. You can use this indicator on all boom and crash indices that we have, talking about boom 300, crash 300, boom 500, crash 500, and boom 1000, and the crash 1000 that we're currently on as well. So if you're new to this channel, we review different trading strategies each and every single day. And if you want to be part of that, and if you don't want to miss any of our videos, if you don't want to miss any of our analysis, make sure that you subscribe and you turn on your notification bell so that I will personally notify you when I post the next video. Okay, so the first indicator that we need to add to our charts is going to be the Bolinger Bands. Now these Bolinger Bands, I'm going to use them in a slightly different way. Okay, I have them up here because they are for trend. So it's a trend indicator, and it is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 20, we're going to have a shift of 0, the deviations are going to be 0.500, apply to close. There are not going to be any levels on this one, and on the time frame you can allow all time frames. I'm going to choose a black color because I really want them to pop out on my main chart so that I can clearly see my areas of entry. Okay, and then I'm going to click done, and as you can see, we now have the Bollinger Bands up on our charts. Okay, time to move on to the next indicators that we need. We're going to need another indicator called the Relative Strength Index, or the RSI, which is right here, and it is going to have the following properties. We're going to have a period of 1, apply to close, and you're going to need the following levels. Please pay attention to these levels because they're going to determine when you enter and where you enter actually. Okay, so we're going to have a level 90, we're going to have a level 80. Now this level 80 to 90 will be our sell zone, and then we're going to have a neutral zone, which is level 50, and we're going to have the buy zone, which consists of level 20 and level 10. Okay, when you click done, and when you're styling for this RSI, please choose the same color as your background color. So I've got a white background, that's why you see mine is white right there on this tile. Okay, so once you're done, you're going to click done, and as you can see, what you first show up on your charts are just these two levels: the sell zone, the buy zone, and the neutral zone, which is our level 50 right here. So this is to show that you have correctly followed the procedure. Okay, now we are left with one last indicator, but before I jump into that last indicator, please remember that if you want to be part of our 100-day trading challenge, where we are looking at volatility indices each and every single day, please make sure that you click the subscribe button, you like this video, and you comment down below that you are interested, and you'll be added to a WhatsApp group where we are basically trading each and every single day on the markets. More on that a little bit later on. Let's get into the next indicator that we actually need. Okay, so going back to my indicators section, this time we're going to click where it says indicator window 1, which is right here, and we're going to add an indicator called the Alligator. Okay, so I'm going to go to my Alligator, which is right here, And this alligator is going to have the following properties that you see on the screen. We're going to have a jaws period of 13, a teeth period of 8, a lips period of 8 as well, a jaws shift of 5, a teeth shift of 5, a lips shift of 3, and the method is smoothed. And then on apply to, you choose median price, and on the time frame, again, you can allow it to be on all time frames. Okay. And then on your styling, please take note of this. Your jaws should have the same color as your background. So mine is white because I've got a white background. And your teeth should have the green color, and your lips should have that red color. Please try and follow the same colors that I'm using in this video, because I'm going to be referring back to them during the video, so you won't get confused if we have the same customization. Okay, so I'm going to click done, and as you can see, we now have those lines at the bottom right there, the red and green that we've just installed, that represent our alligator. Now what's left is understanding the conditions for this strategy, doing some back testing, and as well as doing some forward testing. Now, like I said, if you want to be part of the analysis group, you have to send me a screenshot to my WhatsApp number showing that you have subscribed, showing that you have liked this video, and showing that you have commented in the comment section down below. So you can send me the screenshot to my WhatsApp number. You'll be able to reach that number. You'll be able to get that number from our Telegram channel. The link will be in the description box below. Just click the link in the description box below, and it will take you straight to our Telegram channel, which is completely free to join. There are over almost 8,000 traders in that group. So if you want to be part of that big trading community, make sure you join. It's completely free, like I said, and you'll be able to find my WhatsApp number. You'll also be able to find my personal trading results, my students' results, and any updates from our trading, from our trades, from our analysis, and from our signals group. So feel free to join. It's completely free. The link is in the description box below. Okay, so let's get back to this strategy. How do you trade with this strategy? There's so many ways in which you can use this strategy. I'll define one or two ways in which you can trade with, and then you can just pick whichever one is suitable for you. Also, feel free to check out our previous videos. Maybe you can find a strategy that suits your trading style. Remember, we all have different trading styles, and my trading style might not fit yours. Okay, so try out these different strategies and find one that actually works with you. Not one, a couple that works with your trading style, and then try to use those strategies to increase your probabilities in winning in the market. Okay. The first thing is we're going to be using the 1 hour time frame for trading. So you're just going to switch to 1 hour time frame. I'm sure you all know how to do that. And then for you to enter into trades now, you're going to be looking for a few things. Number one, you want the red and green line to be guiding you in the momentum of the market. It's very difficult to tell from just the price, but these indicators, they also help you analyze, because they're going to be using data to give you an idea of where the market is. So we want to have the green and red line that you see down here to be in either the buy zone or the sell zone for us to even look for an opportunity to trade. Now this has to be in your 1 hour time frame, so make sure you are in your 1 hour time frame. So once you see these lines reaching your buy zone like they did right here, I'm just going to explain the buy trade that we have on our charts. Once you see them reaching down here, you're obviously going to start to realize that you're about to enter into an uptrend. But then you can't just immediately enter into an uptrend or into a buy trade just like that. You need confirmations, and those confirmations are going to come from your main chart. So basically, once you see your green and red line being in the buy zone, you're going to go to your main chart and look for a break in market structure or in a previous trend. How do you get that? Simply, you need to see candlesticks shifting from being under the black lines that you see on my screen to being above. So once you see candlesticks crossing, going above those three lines that are on your main chart, then you should now start to understand that the probabilities of being in an uptrend or profiting from a buy trade are now very, very high. Why? Because the market is now in a strong bullish momentum. What you can then do is switch to your 15-minute time frame to find entry points. How do you get these entry points? You simply wait for the same conditions to be met. You want to have green line and red line hitting your buy zone, and you want to have candlesticks crossing to be above the black line from a lower time frame, like a 15-minute time frame. This is to allow you to have so many trades. So these trades will keep on coming. You keep on seeing the green line hitting your buy zone again, and candlesticks crossing to be above the black line. So remember, price moves in cycles. So after a bearish movement, you see your red and green line hitting your buy zone, crossing to be above the three lines, and you know that your buy trade or another buy trade is open, right? So if you want again to hold this for longer, all you have to do then is you do analysis from the 4-hour time frame and you take your trades from the 1-hour time frame, or you can do analysis, get the trend from the 1-hour time frame and catch some trades from the 15-minute time frame. It depends the type of trader that you are. If you know that you're not going to be holding that trade for long, then it's better you find the market direction from the 1-hour time frame and look for opportunities in the 15-minute time frame. This is for intraday traders, which I assume most of you guys are. You want to enter and close a trade within a day, most of you. But if you want to swing trade it and hold for more than a day, then you can do an analysis from the daily time frame and probably find the entries from your 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this applies, like I said, to all boom and crash indices. Let's look at maybe boom 500 and see if we have something. Again, you have to find opportunities from a higher time frame. So right now I can see that we're in our sell zone, and once we cross to be below this black line, I know that I'm going to go to my 15-minute time frame and just start to look for these selling opportunities. So probably I'll be given another sell entry here, and I'll probably enter and sell just like that. They're probably going to be coming in numbers more than 5 trades, but I want you guys to first practice this strategy on your demo accounts before moving on to your real accounts, because trading is very risky, and if you don't understand what you're doing, you might lose your capital. So try and protect your capital as much as possible. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed and if you learned something. Until next time.